The Ford Maverick has become America's favorite compact pickup for its practicality, affordability, and everyday versatility. But for enthusiasts craving more muscle and excitement, Ford has just unveiled the answer: the Maverick 300T. This street-ready performance truck brings genuine Mustang DNA to the compact pickup segment, blending power, handling, and style into one bold package you can actually buy. Unveiled ahead of its debut at the 2025 SEMA Show in Las Vegas, the Maverick 300T is not just a concept or one-off prototype. It previews a real performance kit that Ford will offer in 2026 for Maverick owners who want more power and sharper dynamics. Inspired by community feedback from Maverick owners, Reddit threads, and Ford Truck Club discussions, this project was born directly from the passion of fans who wanted a true performance-oriented compact truck. Under the hood, the Maverick 300T hides a heavily reworked version of the 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine. Ford has fitted the larger turbocharger straight from the Mustang's 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, boosting power to a robust 300 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. That's a serious step up from the stock Maverick's 238 horsepower and 275 pound-feet, turning this small truck into a real street performer. The turbo upgrade features a 59mm compressor wheel, up from the original 53mm, paired with a new Mishimoto intercooler that's nearly 59% larger than the factory unit. According to Ford's Matthew Simpson, the new intercooler improves temperature reduction by almost 40% and cuts pressure drop by 20%, proof that this isn't just about numbers, but genuine performance engineering. Beyond power, Ford has reworked the chassis for a sportier feel. The 300T package includes lowering springs, monotube rear dampers, and a stronger rear stabilizer bar borrowed from the Maverick Lobo. The setup lowers the front by 10mm and the rear by 30mm, giving the truck a more aggressive stance and improved cornering stability. Adding to the excitement, a boreless sport catback exhaust system with dual tailpipes gives the Maverick a deep, throaty growl that echoes its Mustang-inspired spirit. The performance kit doesn't just stop under the skin, it looks the part too. The Maverick 300T rides on 20-inch alloy wheels taken directly from the Mustang Mach-E GT, available in either sleek black or bold bronze finishes. The SEMA Show truck wears Michelin Pilot Sport S4 tires, though production kits will feature high-performance Pirelli P0 Electra rubber. Visually, the truck features unique 300T decals, color-matched fender vents, Maverick tailgate lettering, and Ford performance badging to separate it from the standard lineup. The front fascia gets a reworked spoiler from Air Design, subtly hinting at the massive intercooler behind it. These touches make the Maverick 300T look like a compact muscle truck, stylish, purposeful, and unmistakably Ford. Ford says the kit will be compatible with Maverick XL, XLT, and Lariat trims equipped with the 2.0-liter engine and all-wheel drive. The company also recommends pairing it with the 4K tow package for optimal drivetrain cooling and durability. This setup ensures that performance doesn't come at the cost of practicality, a hallmark of Ford's modern truck philosophy. Set to reach customers in 2026, the Maverick 300T isn't just a hot version of Ford's small truck, it's a symbol of how deeply Ford listens to its enthusiast community. And according to the company, this is only the beginning. The automaker has hinted that more performance-focused projects are already underway in the Ford Custom Garage, suggesting that the Maverick 300T might be the first in a new wave of street trucks built for the next generation of drivers. With Mustang-inspired power, tuned suspension, and striking design, the Ford Maverick 300T delivers what fans have been asking for: a small truck with real performance credentials. It's not just practical anymore, it's powerful, bold, and built for the streets.